Pull back.
Oh, he's coming up here. He's coming up here.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Callie. Come on, Callie. Alright, today we're gonna take the buggies out. Hey, you all remember Jason? Well, he's got a sister, and I'm gonna show you right now. So there's Jason, and here is the GRANGR. There it is. We call her the GRANGR because, well, it's a gray Ranger. What other name would you call it? So this is my buggy for the day. Rob and Robert are gonna be in Jason so they can have the air condition. I'm young, so me and the GRANGR, we're gonna go out. We took the doors off of it. It normally has doors, but man, it's hot. It gets hot. There's no AC in this. The GRANGR will go wherever I want. All right. We have more trail cameras to put out. Still putting them out. We've got about 20 left. I don't think we're going to be able to get all of them out, but yeah, we're going to keep going. And we're going to bring you all along.
like it had some spring to it. It was kind of a light blue tint. It's got a little bit of a blue tint now to it. And all the deer were bedding in all this Reed's canary grass that comes down through here. And they were coming out where we came in by that mulberry tree. and they were cutting that stand corner and going over every evening. The bucks would come out of here, the does would come down the gut, then bigger bucks would cut right across that point to that next point that we drove in by. Then they'd make their way on down. I don't know why. But there's a short tree back up there. I don't want to get in here too far because the southwest winds you'd be fine early, but gun season you'd be hurting. The hunter, you know, bow hunters are your best, resource early on, and you can't. It's hard to keep an idea and a track on, you know, what deer are doing on 16,000 acres. So the bow hunters are really good, good scouts and hunters, you know, of course. But, you know, the guy that was hunting this place, he even took a chair and sat in the other draw because there wasn't a tree fit for a stand. He was going to put a stand in, and got that deer to 42 yards. But by the time he got to him, it was dark. And it was a big deer, 160 class plus. But all the good bucks were doing that, and they may not do it this year. Different crop rotation. We got a lot more alfalfa, so it's going to be there. The food's going to be there all year, and not much better protein than that. There was 22 deer in these 3 fields the other night when I drove by.
No step for a stepper.
No for a climber. You may want to mark this for a stand site so you don't forget.
Find them where they are.
Tell them where they're at. They live in it.
There's locker room talk, and then there's out in the bush talk. So being behind all day, my coffee, which the lid is broken and so it doesn't seal up all the way, and it is quite dusty, but it's still got coffee in it. I think I should drink it. Let's see. I mean, it's coffee. It's coffee, right? Oh, that was gross. It's like it was coffee grinds.
Putting this camera in right here. Pretty tough shot. Got a nice silver food plot right there. It needs to be mowed. We'll get on that. And there's another stand right down there to the left, right in that where that willow tree sticks out. So another good spot. Taylor East Tower here.
You just met her today, but we're gonna take the Granger up to get a tune-up. Your Ranger that you need to go at, that needs to go everywhere, is working in tip-top shape. All right, well, it's just me now. We had a good lunch. Went in town, had some lunch. So. And Robert and Rob went on to do some other things. We did come here earlier. I don't know if that footage is in there, but basically we realized that this spot that we have here, we don't have a tree to set on, and so we normally need a post. So I went back, grabbed a post and a camera, a tower blind over there, and so the deer will use all of this. It's just kind of a highway. They'll come out and feed. So let's get that. I'm gonna put the camera right in there. So we've used up our supply of muddy cameras, and so there's a few extra odds and end brands that we have. This is a Moultrie Series A. I've personally never used them. Rob isn't the biggest fan, but I mean, Something's better than nothing, right? Okay, so I'm having a problem with this camera, and it's just the way this T-post is made, and that there's too much of a gap here, and so it simply falls off. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to find some branches and stick them in here to kind of give it some more girth there. Here we go. So I went and found some branches to put in there, and now this can shake and it stays there. And I don't know, I may be overthinking it a little bit, but, and some people may be asking, well, why not just get those stakes that are made for these? And we have them, we used them on a couple of cameras already, but we are out of them. Better turn it on, otherwise this would be one big waste of time. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smile. Everybody at home, smile. It's taking a picture. Alright, well, for those of you that blinked, I'm sorry, I can't help you. But that was your one moment to get on one of our trail cameras. And if you blinked, you missed it. Alright, that's going to do it for today. Some bonus footage. Maybe I'll roll in some bonus footage. A friend and I are going to a USPSA style shoot. I'll see if I can bring you along, but I am planning on doing a fish survey tonight. This evening, not tonight. So we're going to go to one of our smaller ponds. We catch, we're obviously going to release, but I want to get an idea of what's in there and what's going on in those lakes. So yeah, you want some bonus footage? Because normally we would be done, but I can hear you guys saying it. I can hear you talking. Alright, I'll roll some bonus footage. This is after hours. I'm at a local indoor range here, about 30 minutes away. My buddy Ryan's on the security team, is here to shoot. We're here just to have some fun. So hopefully it all goes great. So.
Are you ready? Stand by. Range is clear. 2673. Are you ready? Stand by. Range is clear, 40.
So was that the most fun you've ever had in your entire life?
Yep.
That's pretty good. A lot of alphas out there. Lots of alphas.
That's good. Yeah.
Those are A zones. Those are the zones you want to get.
Ready? Stand by. Got you in the system. clear.
Revolvers, man. We're the Jedi of the shooting world.
That's tough. I've never seen somebody run one, so that was cool.
Close thing. You got these moon clips? No, I'm not sponsored by anybody.
But if they would like to.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. So you got these moon clips and they're so hard to get off individually. So you put them in these. After they're shot, they're a little harder to do. Oh, wrong way. Boom. Done. Alright, we're here at one of our lakes and I have enlisted the help of master fishermen.
Really?
Well, they're fishing ladies.
Oh my goodness.
Fisher women?
Fisher women.
Would you call them fisher women? Okay. Hey, I just need to catch fish. I don't need a professional for this. So we're going to catch some fish. We're going to log what species. Oh, come on. What lake we're at. The length and the weight. But this is one of our honey holes out here. Hooks in the water. And we're going to get on it. What was your conversation about?
It doesn't sound right.
What did it sound like?
Inappropriate.
Inappropriate?
Yeah.
Come on now.
It sounds like inappropriate. It wasn't. It just sounded, yeah.
Come on, when I put this on YouTube, I gotta say if it's for kids or not. So come on, y'all. All right, let's get some worm. So.
And just use this little thing. I
Yeah.
think I'm just gonna leave my in there.
Yeah, I use it.
Okay.
So what I'm just using right now is just a jig here. Nothing too exciting. Whoa. We got our first one. Hold on. Let's look at him. All right, we've got a.
The smallest fish ever.
Looks like a bluegill.
Aww.
I'm gonna guess what. See,
I have one.
I knew bringing a pole was a wrong thing for me because I'm gonna be doing this a lot. Because we got some great fisher women here.
That's right.
Oh, this is my wife, Callie. So you all know. And there's Franceline over there. And then there's Amanda over here. Amanda's a friend of Callie. She puts up with me. And then Franceline is my daughter. I have taught her everything she knows. I didn't teach her that glare. All right. What do you need?
This is actually brand new and it's like coming apart. Is it zip tie thing you need?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
All right.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh, that was scary. Ew! Ew! I can't get it! What? It wouldn't come off! That was so not worth it! I did when I should have jagged it, baby. I try not to hook at all because I get bites every single time. And I don't want them to stay on. But he wouldn't get off.
She jigged when she should have jagged.
Baby, you can't put... I'm going to review this footage.
Review it all you want once it's live on YouTube. I mean, just look into the camera here. Like the entire internet is right in there watching you as you assault me. Get it, baby! But he's not the one, when you see your bobber moving, he ain't the one you're looking for. You have to move back, Fran. I'm going to try and launch this.
Oh my gosh, that's so morbid.
Alright, so he's out there. You're looking for the one that goes under and stays under.
So
It's okay, they can't feel it.
yes, they can. Don't lie. Oh, she got one, but it's hooked in the tree. Oh, catfish, catfish.
I tell you, friend, that'd be the biggest fish you ever caught.
I've caught a catfish before.
Not like this.
What the heck?
It's talking.
He's talking.
I know. Why? Why?
That's just how they sound.
All right.
Cool. Oh,
Fish
careful.
is in its belly. You're right.
I caught this fish.
Yeah, she caught it. Come stand next to it, Fran. Look.
It's horrible lighting.
Ow!
Dang it, baby.
My daughter
Freaking.
is a master fisherman.
Hold on.
Hey!
Okay, there you go.
Ugh.
Did it bite you?
I mean, it's got little teeth, but I was barely hanging on.
See?
Barely hanging on.
What is on your foot?
What are you doing?
You said I could borrow your Glock.
Hold on. Whoa, careful.
I thought you meant.
Wait, what are you doing?
I thought you meant my like handyman gloves.
Here. No, Brandy, what are you doing?
I'm walking.
Oh, baby, I think I got something. Uh-oh.
It's heavy.
Coming a little bit.
Come on.
Come on, Callie.
Come on, Callie. Let's get it in there. Work it. Work it.
Oh, it's a big one. Why is it not coming anywhere?
All right.
Is it actually doing something?
Okay. So pull back. Pull back.
Oh, he's coming up here. He's coming up here.
Come on. Come on. Come on, Callie. Come on, Callie. Come on. Back up. Back up. Back up.
We got a live one. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
It's full of the fish.
Oh, I think that's, is that as big as
sick.
Fran?
I think.
That whole fish is in its stomach.
This is why you're not greedy, kids.
You got it in the eyeball. Good one. Good one, Miss Ballard.
I try. Ooh, we pooped on you, babe, and part of its intestines is coming out or it's pregnant. One or the other.
Stop, Mr. Ballard.
Good job.
Why are you squeezing it so tight?
Who has a phone?
Mr. Ballard, why
No,
you're squeezing it
We're
too
filming
tight?
right here.
Oh, no. Where's your phone at?
I need the pliers.
Hold on. I need your phone. Part of it's...
Yeah,
something-
it's getting ready to have eggs. That's why.
Oh,
Pull this
damn.
out.
Hold on
Pull
really
this out.
quick.
Hold on.
Oh, my goodness. It went all the way through. You gonna open up its gill? Oh.
Hey, hey! You have got a hook rolling around my head.
I know. I was really careful with the end of it.
All right.
Miss Ballard, that thing is dead. It's done for.
No, it's
It's
not.
not. It's just-
You
fine.
got the thing in its eyeball.
That doesn't kill it.
It
Why are
uses-
you looking at me like you're mad at
Hey,
me? I have no
hey,
control over where
hey.
it bites.
I'm gonna teach y'all something. Catfish don't really use its eyes. Dang it, it's so slimy, and I don't want to get stung because these will hurt. It uses these to fill around.
Yeah. There we go. There you go.
Poor thing. Its babies now have trauma. It's gonna be born.
Franceline, I really hope you're feeling better. Well, that'll do it for today. Our three lovely ladies all caught a catfish, which was what I thought was in this lake. It's good to see. We've got some really nice, healthy fish in here. If this is a place you'd like to fish, link in the description below. We can definitely get you out there. And so we're gonna go ahead and do it for today. It was fun. When you were taking novice fishermen out, don't expect to fish, expect to help, expect to serve. And I had fun just watching them catch fish. All right, we'll see you guys later on the next one. Bye.